Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we are fixing up our old Chevy key fobs. These key fobs you can get on Amazon. I'll link them below for about 20 bucks no matter how many buttons you got. 2007 to 2013 is what looks like this. A little bit earlier than that, they look very similar but have less buttons. Super easy. These ones come with new rings, new buttons, new everything, batteries. If you just want to swap your battery, this procedure will work for doing that too. But you can see this remote, the buttons have worn off. Both sides, both key fobs, but they both work. So if you do this, then you won't have to get them reprogrammed, and it's worth 20 bucks, right? So first things first, all you got to do is remove your key from your key ring, and then we're going to take off our little ring here. Reuse it or don't, it's okay. Then your pry point's right there. You're going to need a fine screwdriver. Pop it loose, pull it apart like that. Seeing how they gave us new batteries, this was the one that was dead anyway, so we'll reuse one of theirs. Identical battery. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to take up the new remote and we're going to open it the same way. The only difference right here is the battery is held in the back of this one versus the Chevy one has it here. So don't worry about it. We'll just reuse the Chevy back and the new front. And all we're going to do is pull the guts out of the old one. Once you get it open, we'll pull these out. So we pulled them out. That's the old fob. We're going to take the old board, snap it in here. So that's in there. We're going to take our new battery. We're going to put it in the old back. And then we're just going to snap it together. Now if you want, you can go ahead and clean this up. You can see it's got some grapple in there. Now we're just going to snap it back together. Leading package goes on first, snap it down the front. And there it is. New remote, old back. Again, save your new boards and batteries. You could probably snap them in the old ones for now. I'm not going to worry about it because they're pretty much junk buttons and stuff now. Toss those, and other than that. And now for less than 10 minutes of time, you got two key fobs, look like brand new. I think they have a 1-year warranty on them, so that's good. Again, keep the new boards and stuff, the old backs and everything, so that way if one of these remotes actually stops working because of some type of issue with it, which I've never seen. I haven't seen one. And if you want to program an extra one, well then you have the guts, but they'll be ugly because you don't have the buttons in them. But at the end of the day, 20 bucks, less than 10 minutes of your time, and super easy to do. I will link below where you can get them on the Zon. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me. I appreciate you guys all being here. We'll catch you on the next one.